Hey, what's going on, family? Dash Master, welcome to the channel. Just want to share a little thing with you, a little thought with you. Man, it's getting pretty bad out here as far as gas prices, man. As you can see, I'll try to give what it is in my market right as of right now. I'm gonna try to zoom it in. That's my market as of right now. It's $3.99, and it's continually going up. So that is what's up. I don't know how y'all gas is in your city, what the prices are, what gas prices going in your market today. Will you continue on doing this type of work if gas prices continue going up more and more? I know in some places it's going up to $5 a gallon. I mean, you know, it's getting tight, fellas. It's getting tight, everyone. So what are your thoughts on it? Are you going to continue on doing this type of work? Or you going to just try to find something else that's less on gas, or find a W-2 or whatever? You know, post your thoughts on it. Post your comments down below. And I'd like to hear some of your experiences and your thoughts on far as gas prices rising. It's getting, man, we just gotta get it. My thing is, you know, we're independent contractors. You know, it comes along with the territory. If you think about a lot of the other delivery service, Amazon, think about the truckers that travels miles and miles away trying to deliver freights and items. It's gonna hit everybody. It's gonna impact everybody, not just us, but it's gonna impact everybody. But you know, like I said, we're independent contractors. It comes with the territory. We just got to be minded and make sure we fill up, you know, and fill up on weekly. Make sure we have gas in our cars and things like that. You know, don't try to stress it out, because you never know. You never know, like it did before. We ran out. Everybody was running around trying to find gas, and it was just chaotic, man. Just chaos. So my thing is, we just got to be mindful and think, you know, yes, gas prices are going up, but, you know, it comes with the territory. We got to deliver if you're going to do this type of gig work or whatever service, Uber Eats, Postmates, whatever you're doing as far as in your market. We got to deliver. We got to use our cars. We got to deliver, or we won't make money. So my thing is try to fill up and gas up as much as possible. Stay full. Get it, like my man Gig Con said, get it while it's getting. You know what I'm saying? So just get now and fill up as much as possible. I put $20 in. It usually takes my car about $20 to fill up. I put $20 in there yesterday. It's just maybe got a little bit over a half. So I'm getting ready to go now. Like I showed you a while ago, our gas price is $3.99. I got to fill up. So it's probably gonna take me about $30 to even fill up in my car. But still, I got to stay full up to run, to do my work and do my gig work. So, you know, yeah, gas prices are going up. It's getting bad. But you got to think that if you're going to do this type of work, is this type of work suitable for you? Can you actually afford to do this type of work? And as far as staying in the game, trying to get that money and try to do this type of work, because you're going to use your cars, you're going to drive, you're going to deliver, and you're going to use gas, and gas is going up $4 or $5 a gallon. Man, it's going to get tough. It's going to get tougher. So you really got to make the decision what you want to do. You know, is this type of work for you, or are you going to stick it out, try to be you know, cherry pick whatever every order you can get, or do whatever that you're going to save money on gas? What are your plans for the high gas prices going up? What are your thoughts? What are your plans? What are you going to do? Hey, post your comments down below. Hey, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to hit this like button on this if you like this video. I do appreciate it very much. Also, subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell, just in case you'll get notified when your boy posts a new video and share some thoughts with you. Hey, thank you. Let's go get it. Want to continue on making you a professional dash master. Let's go get it. Thank you. See you next time.